When you use Gmail frequently, your search bar accumulates a long list of previous terms and filter suggestions over time. If you want to keep your account tidy and remove unwanted queries from that history, you can easily clear them out one by one. Please take a quick moment to like this video if you find these tips helpful. To start managing your past searches, open the search bar at the top of your inbox. Click the Input field to expand the drop-down menu, showing your recent queries and search filters. Review the list of previous searches displayed right beneath the search box. Locate the first search term you want to remove from your history. Click the Remove button next to that specific search entry to delete it from the suggestions list. Notice how the deleted term instantly disappears from your history. Move down to the next unwanted search query in the drop-down. Click the corresponding Remove button to clear that term as well. Continue this process for any other stored queries you no longer wish to see. Click the Remove button on the next search entry to clear it from the drop-down. Check for any remaining items you want gone before finishing up. Click the final Remove button to clear out the last search item from your history. Clearing the final item automatically closes the search drop-down menu. Click anywhere in the main inbox area to move your cursor away from the search bar. Your Gmail interface is now clean and free of past search suggestions. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.